talented programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So today now we are going to learn about fonts. So which font suits your web page and how to choose the different font styles, how to apply them, that we are going to study now. Okay, so far now we learned about text alignment, text transformation, shadow, spacing. These all we learned, right? Now we will learn about fonts. So font selection is very important. Choosing the right font has a huge impact on how the readers experience a website. So the right font can create strong identity for your website. Okay, so now I hope you know some font. Those are Arial, serif, sans serif, cursive, fantasy, monospace. So these are quite difficult to remember the font style names. So we can use the Google fonts. So what are the Google fonts and how to apply them, that we are going to study now. Okay, so Google fonts, you can use it online, just copying the link from the Google and the name of the font you can use it here. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'll just go to the web page first and I open this and I'll type here Google fonts. So Google fonts, yeah. Now you can see here, click on this and you can see here, so there are variety of Google fonts are there. And now how to use these fonts. Okay, so I'm just using the normal one. Yeah, okay, so I'm just clicking on this and you can see over here it got opened. And let's go back, just click on, yeah, click on this and come down. You can see here different varieties of fonts are there, right? Now we will choose one normal or a bolded one. Yeah, we will choose this one, select the style, and you can see here the link is available and the name of the font style is available, right? So here what we have to do is we need to copy the second link over here and copy this, go to your text editor and paste it in the header field. Okay, and then again go back to the page, Google page, and just copy this and go to your thing. And now here you can apply, yeah, font family, open sans serif, right? So I applied the font here. So let's check it out, save. Now go to your web page and just refresh the page. Now you can see the style is changed, right? So this is the different font style we applied for the heading 1. Okay, now how to apply the icons. Okay, I hope you saw there are so many icons we see in the websites, like home icon, cart icon, like icon, share icon. So these are different types of icons we use. Instead of using the words, we use the icons there, right? Sorry. So now let's move how to use the icons. Okay, so again go to your web page and open a new tab and type here font awesome icons. Okay, and here open the icons, fontawesome.com, and then here you can see different styles of icons, right? So what you have to do here, first you need to create your account. I already created my account, and once you create your account it will give you the kits. So click on the kits and you will see here the unique kit, I mean the ID of your account, right? So now click on the open and how to use. Click on the how to use and copy this link. So this link is very important. Okay, copy kit code and go to your text editor and below the font icon, below the font link, copy this. It means you should paste it in the header file, header field. Okay, now again go back and now we need that icons code. Okay, so for that go back and whichever you want, which icon you want, you need to copy that. For example, now I would like to copy any one here. Yeah, let's copy the arrow. Or okay, let's see somewhere else which are there. And yeah, so okay, let's use this. Okay, not that one. Yeah, address book or a phone book is fine. Okay, yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'll just start using this icon and copy this again. This link we have to copy. So copy this and go back to your text editor, and where you want to paste it, that you have to check it out. So in the body I want to mention, so body, and paste it. Right, I have pasted in the body. So let's save this and go to your web page. Yeah, you can see here the phone icon has come, right? In the body at the beginning it has come, right? So this is how you have to copy and paste your icons and the different fonts, whichever you like, you can use them in the website. Okay, yeah. So next we will start with the links. So how to use the link, and see, whenever I go here, I mean click here is there, right? So if I keep my mouse pointer on this, it should change the color, or it should change the background color or the text color, right? Or we can apply a button for it, like a button style kind we can apply for it. So these all the styles we will see how to do it now. All right, so let's go to editor, and now I'm creating here a list. Okay, so not exactly the list, I'm just creating here, there is a link, right? Yeah, that is the anchor tag. For the links we use anchor tags, right? So for this anchor tag we have to write the code, so we have to make the styles for the anchor tag. So let's see that now. Yeah, so just enter. Yeah, and I'm typing here A. Okay, I'm applying the color of the text. Let's use hot pink. Okay, let's check it out. Click on this. Yeah, you can see here the hot pink is there, but it is not changing the color when I keep my mouse pointer on it, right? Yes, so now let's do that. Okay, yeah. So now what I'm doing is, there are 4 types and you can use, like, for the link and visited link, hover link, and the active link. We can use different types, right? So now what I'm doing is a hover. So what is this hover? Whenever you go on, whenever you keep your mouse pointer on it, it will change its color, text color or background color, whatever you mention here, that it will change. Now I'm changing the background color to yellow. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see here, right? It is changing to yellow color. The background is changing to the yellow color, right? Now, next, once the user clicks on that link, okay, once he use that link, the color should be changed to the different color. So now A, and what we use here, visited. Okay, now color, I'm changing it to blue. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because we already used this color, so that's why we already used this link, so that's why it is changed to blue color already. Now let's check it out. We'll use the different anchor tag. Okay, so just copy this and use one more anchor tag here, and just change it to YouTube. Okay, and you can also change this to click me. Okay, yeah, and then color blue. Yeah, so save this and let's check it out. Yeah, you can see here, click here and click me. So click me is also in the blue color. Now we'll change it a link, we'll write the code which is unvisited, that should be in a different color. Okay, so now what we will change it, so a link that we are going to change the color of the text should be in the red color. Okay, let's check it out.